TATA Group just shook hands with Sam Altman. OpenAI is moving into the TCS HyperVault area, and it's a massive expansion. They are starting with 100 megawatts but eventually want to hit 1 gigawatt. This is a huge physical footprint for the site and a total change for the neighborhood. The general perception is that this is about making websites faster, but it's actually about sovereignty. OpenAI needs data residency and domestic muscle, providing the low latency power for mission-critical operations at TCS HyperVault, which is a very positive step as India is no longer just using the cloud, it's actually becoming it. The sheer scale of it is quite impressive. Hundreds of thousands of TCS employees all wired into ChatGPT Enterprise. By the way, TCS is also weaponizing OpenAI Codex. They are transitioning from writing traditional code to designing software with automation built in. Where a developer once wrote integration code line by line, much of it is now actually generated. Their job is to supervise and refine it. So if you are a developer in your 20s, the IT services job you studied for is evolving and not waiting for you to catch up. OpenAI's presence in India is expanding. The company claims it now has around 100 million weekly users in the country, a scale that is significant. And it is no longer limiting itself to New Delhi. New offices are opening in Bengaluru and Mumbai. The aim is access to talent, proximity to developers, and a stake in one of the world's fastest growing technology markets. And it is not alone. A competitive pattern is actually starting to emerge. While TATA Group aligns itself with OpenAI, Infosys is backing Anthropic. Its Claude models are steadily moving into enterprise systems. The field is widening, and the alliances are becoming much clearer. If OpenAI represents the large consumer-facing model, Anthropic has positioned itself differently, with a stronger emphasis on developers and enterprise use. Both are influential. Both are shaping corporate adoption in distinct ways. And India finds itself engaging with each as global competition deepens. So what is the ambition here? It is no longer simply about buying licenses, nor is it a passing wave of enthusiasm. The central idea is sovereign AI, building domestic capability while avoiding dependence on any single foreign provider. So by engaging with multiple global firms, India preserves leverage and choice. In a market that is consolidating quickly, sovereignty is fast becoming a strategy instead of just a slogan. And here is, as always, the front page take. The question now is less about who moves first and more about who can execute at scale. Partnerships are taking shape. Tata with OpenAI, Infosys with Anthropic, each building different layers of capability. Global platforms are no longer testing the waters in India. They are actually investing for the long term. Innovation does not develop in isolation, as we know. It emerges where capital, talent, and demand all converge. At present, India is one of those arenas. The real issue is not allegiance to one model or another, but how these competing ecosystems reshape the country's technology landscape. What do you think? Are you Team GPT or Team Claude? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe. Think AI, think India, think AIM.